All right, how is everyone doing this evening? Welcome back to another video. And this evening in this video, I'm going to give everyone my fit and sound demo with the SoundPEATS Mini Pro HS truly wireless Bluetooth earbuds. So tonight in this video, I'm going to do three things. I'm going to give y'all a fitting demonstration of the earbuds. I'm going to talk about my overall feelings on the overall fit and feel of the earbuds after extended usage. Then I'm going to give y'all two audio sample tests. One is going to be a leakage test, and then the last one is going to be a sound sample to the best of my ability. And I will also give y'all my overall opinions on the overall sound quality, the volume, and the bass of these earbuds, and I'll be sure to reiterate those opinions in the full review. So without further ado, let's dive into the video and get started. So starting off here, let's get into the fitting demonstration. But before I show it off, I want to just tell everybody how I have the earbuds set up. So when you get the earbuds, they come with three different size tips. They come with a small, a medium, and a large size earbud tips. Now on the earbuds by default are the large size tips, and I decided to go with those tips to test out the earbuds. Those were the tips that gave me the best overall fit, and those are the ones that I have on the earbuds right now. And to me, at least in my opinion, in my experience with my ears, those give me the best overall fit, the best overall comfort, and the best overall sound quality, volume, and bass. And it's always important to get the best overall earbud tips when you're picking up Bluetooth earbuds. Okay, so that's how I have the earbuds set up. Now let's dive into the fitting demonstration. So you can see I actually already have the earbuds in my ears, and you can see they do have a very nice front profile. Now they are very minimal and discreet, but you can tell that I have Bluetooth earbuds in my ears from a nice front profile. So now let me turn to my left and give y'all a close-up look of the right earbud here. And again, I have to say the fit on these is pretty much perfect. I haven't had any issues with the overall fit. Okay, and now let me turn to my right and give y'all a shot of the left earbud here. And again, it's more of the same. Check out that nice close-up there. It looks really good. It feels really good in my opinion, and I haven't had any issues. And now, in terms of the overall movement, and do they fall out? No, they do not. These earbuds are actually perfect for the gym and perfect for strenuous activities, as I just showcased. Even with vigorous movements, they do not fall out. They do not move around. So they are perfect there. Okay, so that concludes the overall fitting demonstration. Now let's get into the sound samples. Now for reference, I will go ahead, as I always do, and put a close-up of the earbuds in the video and post, so y'all get a really nice close-up of the earbuds so y'all know exactly what you're dealing with here. Also, I do have the earbuds connected up to my iPhone 11. I have it set to 100% volume, okay? And I am using a good friend of mine's Produce Music, your boy Two Phones. I'll go ahead and give the links to his Produce Music down below in the video description. So if you like the featured music in this video, go ahead and hit up his links and give him a follow. That being said, all the audio for this video here this evening is being recorded with my professional clip-on lapel microphone, and it is less than a foot away from my mouth. So for this first test, the leakage test, if there's any leakage, my professional microphone should pick it up, no problems. All right, so without further ado, let's go ahead and push play, and I'm gonna give y'all the leakage test. Here we go. Here we go. All right. Okay, bro, I see you. I see you. I see you. Let's rewind that. All right, let's pause that. All right, bro, I see you. You out here doing your thing, producing these beats, man. You're doing a great job. All right, so that pretty much does it for the leakage test. Now let me give you guys and gals my overall thoughts and opinions on the sound quality, the volume, and the bass. Now, in terms of the overall sound quality, I have to say SoundPEATS has done a great job. There is pretty much no distortion on the low or the high ends of the volume spectrum. So the overall sound quality, in my opinion, is top notch. Now, moving on, talking about the overall volume, again, it's more of the same. There is no issues with the volume. Once I push play, I can only hear what I'm listening to. So the overall volume, in my opinion, is top notch as well. Now, moving on to the all important bass, all right? And one of the things I like about bro's music is he has heavy emphasis on that bass, all right? Now, in terms of the bass, I would have to say the overall bass on these earbuds is just really good. You can notice it, you can feel it a little bit, but it is lacking a little bit in the grit and the punch department. But overall, I would have to say the bass on these is really good. All right, so now what we're going to do for the last test is I'm going to attempt to give y'all a sound sample to the best of my ability. So let me go ahead and push play on the music. I'm going to hold up. Matter of fact, I can do it like this first. We can pop the earbuds out first. Okay. And then I can magnetize them together. Boom. Just like that. The magnets in these bad boys are strong. And then I can push play on the music and give y'all a sound sample. So here we go. Hold it up to the mic. And here we go. Right? And we'll hold it here for 30 seconds. Starting now. Okay, real quick sound sample there. Let me go ahead and pause the music. And now we can go ahead and wrap up the video. So this, guys and gals, pretty much does it for the fit and sound demo of the SoundPEATS Mini Pro HS truly wireless Bluetooth earbuds. As always, I hope you guys and gals found this video helpful. If you did and or you enjoyed it, please help your boy out by giving the video a thumbs up. That really does help me out. You don't know how much. If you would like to see more content like this, also feel free to hit that subscribe button down below and make sure you click off the notification bell icon right next to it so you guys and gals get notified when I publish new videos. This whole video here this evening was recorded with a combination of the front and the rear facing cameras on the Samsung Galaxy S10e in 720p, and we are using professional clip-on audio here with my lapel microphone. So please let me know what you think of the overall audio quality. Please let me know what you think of the overall video quality, and let me know how you feel the earbuds performed as well. And as always, if you have any questions, leave those questions down below in the comments. I do try to answer all questions in a timely fashion to the best of my ability. That being said, if this video did pique your interest and you guys and gals would like to know where you can pick up these earbuds at some really great prices, I'll leave all the affiliated buy links again, along with the links to my good friend Two Phones music down below in the video description as well, along with all of my other extended coverage. So if your interest is piqued, down below in the video description will truly be like a one-stop shop for you guys and gals, and you should be good to go. And as the name implies, the video description will contain affiliated buy links, meaning that if you use those links, I do get a small percentage of kickback, but that's at no additional cost to you guys and gals. So it truly is a win-win for everyone in my opinion. All right? I hope everyone is having a great evening. I hope you guys and gals are staying safe out there, and I will catch everyone in the next one. We are out of here. Have a good one, everybody. Peace.